We are under a bridge here on the Emerald Coast. This is East Bay near Pensacola. Got the ladder here. We'll be deploying and seeing how that works. Oh yeah. All right, time to test out the new ladder. Easy. Oh dear.
It's alright. It's okay. Chris is traveling today.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's alright. It's okay. Across the country.
Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Christopher Quest. Here on Christopher Quest we like to do a lot of exploring, camping, fishing, snorkeling, and so on Florida's Emerald Coast. And the National Seashore here, which is very incredible. Probably one of the nicest beaches in the country for sure. I finally found a boarding ladder that's going to work on all three of my little inflatable boats. I've been looking for a long time for something inexpensive and reasonable that will work well for a guy that's about 230 pounds. I was really looking for something that would make it easy to get in the boat. So what I've used traditionally is just a rope ladder, just a single step. The trick to these is to have a measurement from the bottom of the step to the top of the tube that's about 2 inches more than your inseam size. So I've got like a 34 inseam, 36 inches. If you put this and hang it, tie it off at about that 36-inch length, you'll be able to step on that ladder and get one leg up and over the tube, and that's really all you need to get in and out of the boat. What generally happens with these rope ladders though is when you put weight on it, the tendency is for it to go under the boat just because your body's pushing on it, and it's really a hassle because you go whoa, and you got to kind of straighten it out and then step up and then step in. But getting that initial step up without the ladder going under the boat, hey, it can be kind of a pain. I mean, I've seen really nice ladders out there, but they're $300 or $250. It's like, no. It's like $79. It's 304 stainless steel. Supposedly the whole thing's 304 stainless. It's got some plastic washers in it, plastic caps. But the reason I like this is because the majority of the weight is going to be on the tube of the boat, and some pull as well. But I really like the idea of having the weight supported by the air tube itself, you know, on the side of the boat. So, the way this looks a little bit angled out, you can kind of see how that is. So it's going to be a trick of where, you know, you put it. This will be pressing against the side of the boat, press down, and then you'll have to have something on this side to hold it. When you're in a hurry to get in, if you get into a school of really bad jellyfish, or there's man-o-wars in the water, or a shark and you don't feel comfortable and you want to get out, you really don't want to fight the rope ladder or try to get it perfect, because you're going to be freaking out and you want to get yourself into the boat if you have to rather quickly. And a stiff metal ladder is definitely going to be a better choice. This one's nice and thin. The measurements on this thing, it's only 10 inches wide, about 10 and a half. 36 inches. Oh yeah, look, the bottom step will actually get you in the boat if you're about, 6 feet tall. Somewhere close to that. 36 inches of the bottom step, 24 inches approximately to the middle step, 12 inches that no one will ever use on the top step. So after doing a bunch of trying it in different places, this is really where I found to be the best place. Because chances are I'm going to have gear on the boat, And right here where I sit to drive the boat is usually a clear spot. So if I come up here, swing a leg in, I know this area of the boat won't have a bunch of gear in, like the front might or something like that. That's why I like this spot. So what I've got here are some 6-inch diameter. The D-ring is about 2.5 inches. 6-inch diameter. It's pretty beefy D-ring that I'm going to glue on the inside down on the boat. So we'll have straps from the D-ring to the boarding ladder to hold it on the tube. What's nice about these guys is that I can put one of these on the Briss 14.1, the Briss 8.2, or the FB365, and I only have to have one ladder because I'm only using one boat at a time. So if I just have these on each boat, I'll be able to take the ladder wherever I'm going. Supposedly the weight limit on this is 600 pounds, so I'm not approaching that just yet. But that tells me she's pretty stout. For $79 on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description if you're interested or been looking for a ladder that is small but will do the job, and 300 series stainless. I need to buff that really good with some sandpaper. Next step, alcohol. I'm gonna clean it really good. Some type of cleaner that won't destroy the PVC. Okay, now we'll let them dry for about 60 seconds. They've had a chance to get where we want them. We want this shackle pretty straight. Well, once it starts, that is where it's going. Let her dry overnight, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna attach our ladder using a couple of 1-inch straps side by side. 6-inch D-ring, adjustable buckles. Now I should note, I put a bungee on here just to keep it in position, keep it from folding out. It really didn't come with anything for that. And now it's real important that you're able to unsecure it while you're in the water. So you need to be able to reach the, however it's being held up from the water, in case you go overboard, hurt yourself, something happens. You want to be able to get to your ladder. Another try out a little farther deep, a little deeper. Sun will come out and we should be able to see something, I'm hoping. All right, we are approaching slack tide. All right, we're out a little farther. Let's see if we can see anything by these bridging supports. Sun's out, so that should help. The visibility is terrible. All right, time to test out the new ladder. Easy. Oh dear. I have some video too of when I was over here with the Colorado XTS. Today I really wanted to try out the ladder, get out a little bit. The water clarity is not that great, but we'll be ready when the water gets clear. Next time we do some spearfishing, we're watching for clearer water and sunshine, and I want to get some sheep's head, some big sheep's head off this bridge. All right, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Someone lost their inner tube. There ain't no telling where that came from. We're gonna throw it on the boat.